This one, I think. Go down to B. There are fixtures. 3. These are fixtures. We'll switch sides. It's a bottom dry traction elevator. Fixtures. B. Have a good day. Car view. I've got my ice cup on the floor. Temporary, just for now. Stopping at main entrance. Yep. 2 or 3?
2.
Sure. Close the door now. Have a good day. You're welcome. This floor, you thinking this used to be a vintage Turnbull. I think this elevator is still vintage, I think. One more time. B, if I can. There you go. One more time. This is the elevator at the Hudson Bay, Yorkdale Mall. Here we're on LL. One more time. Fixtures. Up?
Yeah, 3rd floor.
Each door does not close when you push the button. Go ahead. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You were in 3rd floor. Going down?
Down.
Yes, go ahead. This elevator used to be Turnbull, right? Long time ago, right? Because I see the floor that feel like this elevator used to be original or something.
Yeah, I know.
The store is nice too, but the elevator is still the same. Okay, I'm gonna end it here.
Thank
you.
See you then.
Thank you. Alright.